the printer station. Good morning. I don't know what day you're going to be watching this, which depends on what day I have it filmed and edited and uploaded. But right now it's good morning for me, and it's so crazy because we had an earthquake this morning. Like, we felt the ripple effects. I was actually sitting here in my office and I felt the shake, and I saw my chandelier, like the crystals on it, just shaking. I was like, okay, so it wasn't just me. We literally had something happen. Just found out it was a little after effects of an earthquake, which is crazy for here in Atlanta, but I think it originated out of North Carolina, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, today I just wanted to come to you guys with a vlogging day. I mean, if you guys have been following me along the way, things have changed. We've had a baby, and my hubs works from home now, so everything has changed. If you're new here and don't know much about me, go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss out on future videos. And I share everything lifestyle, and I just love to have you part of the family. In saying all of that, my office, which is what you see now, it was literally designed and made for moi, okay? I was the only one in here. I worked in here 24 hours a day, and okay, not 24. I did work a lot, but it was my office because it was my space where I worked and no one else was in here. Well, now with the baby, who, you know, we're work from home parents because he doesn't go to daycare or anything and doesn't have anyone to watch him. So we are now the daycare, plus the hubs work here in the office too now. So it's not just mine anymore. It's actually our workplace plus the daycare. So it's officially time for an update, a change, a new space, a new redesign. But granted, we are on a super tight budget, okay? As you know, babies are expensive. If you didn't know, they are. And just our whole dynamic has changed. So we're gonna redo the office on a really extremely affordable budget. If you need some ideas, or you don't have the funds to create this extravagant office, or you're just here to see how the office turns out, I'm so thankful and glad that you are here, and I hope that I still blow your minds even on a tight budget. So today I'm gonna walk you through some changes that's gonna take place here in the office. I mean, it's gonna take a few weeks to get the office redesigned. It's not gonna happen overnight, and it's not just gonna happen in this one video. It is gonna be a series of videos, and I'm gonna show you, guys know I'm a DIYer. I don't like just to talk about things or tell you things or give you ideas. I actually do them. So I'm gonna walk you through the things I'm going to be revamping in the office, and just know that it'll all take place of a series of videos. Make sure to follow along, and that's why you should also subscribe if you have not, and I hope you enjoy, okay? If you liked my office before, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I love my office. I'll insert a video here of my before, how it was. You guys know I did a whole series of my office, how I designed it, how I built it, because all these was built ourselves. So I'll show you how it looked before, but I'm gonna go ahead and take you through the changes. It's dirty, it's messy, and we gotta clean it. It's gonna get clean in our whole makeover anyway. But so this is where it's at now, and what we've done, guys, it's a mess. Look at it. Baby stuff. We've moved a lot of baby stuff out the way, but so I'm gonna tell you, I really want a new rug. However, a rug is not in the budget. Finances come first. In the future, if I can come back and get the rug I want, I'll come back and get it. But I just can't right now, and it's okay. Don't go get it dead when you know you can't afford it. My tip for y'all. That's one thing that's not gonna be able to get done right now. So back to showing you the office. So remember, the desk was horizontally this way. So we've changed this one over, but we actually are gonna have to take everything off because I gotta unplug it so I can move it some more. We're gonna move it over to the center of the room. And so my computer over here, that was my assistant's desk, but now the hubs work there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of that desk. I got another desk coming. It's not the exact same. I really wanted the exact same, but can't get that right now. But we got another desk coming. We're gonna put that together today. We're gonna line both desks up and scoot this over some. That's one project. And then we're gonna redo both the desks so they look kind of cohesive. I'm gonna put that in another video for you guys, but that's where I'm going with that. Now over here, what I'm gonna ultimately do is line the back of my bookcase with some black contact paper, probably chalkboard contact paper, because I want like a matte look. And then I also want to come back and add some like black doorknobs on here. That'll be my bookcase makeover, which will also be another another video. That would be a whole day project also. Then we got a new chair coming for him because that is so not comfortable. I do want to revamp this storage dresser. It's an IKEA dresser, but I want to revamp it probably with like contact paper and handles and stuff like that. But I will definitely come back and film that makeover too. And then this area over here, because this is going to get moved to over there. Okay, also let me tell y'all my printer setup. This is so crazy. So I got 2 printers set up right here, and then I have another printer over there on the floor. So yeah, we're gonna do a new printer setup station, more organized. I hope to put it right here and just set up all 3 printers on one station. So again, we can get this office organized. The better my workspace, the better I function and work. So ever since Ace has been here, things have been on a whirlwind, but I gotta get my space back organized. I gotta get it back in a functional environment because it's been dysfunctional since the birth of Ace. So we're gonna try to get this office back up and functional so I can get back to functioning way better. So granted, you guys know we had a lot of baby stuff in here. If not, I'll show some clips in here where we had a space for a baby. I hope to come and do a video showing like moms how you can work from home with a baby. And one of those aspects is making sure you have a space for baby. You know, you have a space for you in your workspace, but you also need a space for baby. And that's one. So that's why we're revamping. We had lots of baby spaces in here, okay? We had a sleeping space for him. We had a play space for him. We had a lounge space, all of that. I've taken up and removed it because we're trying to redo the office, but I'll tell you where they're gonna be. So all of this is going to be gone right up in here, and we're going to end up having a baby play space, and I'm going to have a rollout mattress because we had an air mattress on the floor here. It's in the closet, guys. You see it's in the closet. What we're going to do is make his space right here, so we'll have him a play area plus a rollout mattress that we can roll up and put up when we need to. He has some areas as well, and then he has a jumper on the office door too, so when he wants to bounce and jump, he can go in there and jump around. So this is his jumper station. It's just connected to the door there. Don't mind all those boxes I told you guys we're cleaning out. But anyway, that's his jumper station. And then, like I was saying earlier, he'll have a playing station / lounge station, and then he'll have his sleeping station. So all of that'll be in the office, plus we'll have our workstation. So hopefully this whole new office revamp will just be a great working space and give us great functionality. Oh, my dogs live in the office too, by the way. Now, since Ace has been born, they just live in here. So look at this thing. So she's trying to claim her space in here. Hey, this office is only so big. You know that? This office is only so big. Ain't that right, bud? So it's only so big. This was my like wardrobe rack, and look at that. We'll put him on Bumbo when he just wants to sit up in the office and stuff. So lots of things to do, a lot of work that needs to get done, but that's where my headspace is at, and that's how we're gonna do it all on a budget. Our 2 biggest expenses was the desk and a new chair. So that's about all we could do right now, and then all the other little things, they add up, believe it or not. Now contact paper and handles and all the little things, you know, for DIY practice, they add up too, but it's still a lot cheaper than like buying completely new furniture. So, you know, we're just gonna refurbish the stuff we got and then make this office a little bit less feminine, a little less girly, a little bit more like a mix, more neutral. So we're gonna add some black tones in here, like I said, with some black contact paper, some black decor, and then we're gonna soften it with some wood textures. So that's gonna be the overall thing for the office. I'm gonna incorporate some black and soften it with some wood. I hope you guys like it. I don't think I've ever brought you guys along in a series from beginning to end, from concept. I show you guys in one video everything, how I design it, what my thoughts are, and how I put everything together, and then the end you see the result. But this one I want to spread it out so you guys see it doesn't happen overnight, one, and you kind of see how I think and how I plan and how I prep. Now I also have like a planner in my store, and I love to plan things, and so that actually helps to get organized. Also, I like to use it to plan my projects, because like I put a timeline on it, all the things I need to get done, and then I just gradually knock off one item off the checklist. One thing I do have to say is that with things completely changing, I have to be okay with not getting everything done when I want it done, because I'm used to working 14, 16-hour days, and now with Ace here plus the household, it's like I can barely get, you know, a good 8-hour day in. So I have to be okay with whatever I can get done in a day. So that's why, one, I have to spread this out over a series, and two, you guys get actual insights to how all this goes. I hope you guys follow along in the series, and today we're gonna put this test together. I'm gonna show you guys that on camera. We're gonna go ahead and start that now. Let's get started. So baby fussy, baby hungry, so we gotta hit pause on finishing up the car for just a second. Tell him why you fussing. Say, cause I'm hungry. See, I'm hungry, people. I want my bottle. So Poppy's going to go get his bottle. Say, I'm hungry. Say, I'm hungry. So yeah, we had to press pause on the cart. So as soon as it and fed, we'll get back on the cart. Alright guys, so here's the printer cart. It rolls. It's super cute because of the wood textures. I really like that. I guess they like it too because they're in here too. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna put the printers on here and gonna get it situated where it's gonna go. Alright, so he eating. We was able to go on and move this over here, and there's the cart, printer cart. So now we're gonna get all our printers and put them on the cart. Look at there, starting to come together. There's the printer station. The cart took about 20 minutes to put together, so it was easy, a piece of cake, and it's fairly inexpensive. So I'll link it below in the description box if you guys are interested in checking it out. So this is how the room is looking so far. I'm gonna step back, give you guys an overall view. We're gonna put another desk right here. He's over there playing. Here he's just sitting there. Anyway, so we're gonna go on and put the other desk right here. They're gonna be facing each other, so we're gonna put that together now. Look at here, guys. 4 steps. That's it for this desk. Isn't that just great? I love this company already. And look at the toolkit. They got them lettered for you. And look, spare parts. What? Can we say I love this company? So I'm gonna link this desk below, you guys. If y'all are interested, or at least the company too, you can check them out. I love them already. Let's see if it's gonna be as simple as it looks. There's the big piece. And granted, so the color of this desk is like a dark espresso with some black legs. Like I said, we're gonna incorporate some more black in here, but we're gonna actually DIY this top with contact paper the same we're gonna do this desk. And we'll see how it looks. So, but today we're gonna go on and put it together. Look at this one. He's being fussy. He's being fussy. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you one of the main reasons I got this desk. So, one, it was in our budget. So it's really hard trying to find a desk in our budget right now. And it had, you know, the style I was going for. But it's not gonna be quite as long as this white one. The white one is about 60 inches. The black one is about 55, so it's going to be a little off, but hopefully it won't be that big of a difference. And if it is, oh well. Alright, so we got the second desk up. Like I said, it's not as long as this one, but we're just gonna have to make it work. And we're gonna be covering them both with contact paper on top. So, and that's how it's gonna kind of look this way. And I'll get an angle from this side. Yeah, so that's all for this video. I'm gonna come back and do a DIY of both the desks in another video. I would definitely do a before and after picture once we finish the series. Just keep following along, and I hope you like how the office ultimately ends. I hope you guys enjoyed the series, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed,